Hope's graduation day. And time check, it's already 8:11 and the graduation will start at 8:30. So this is Hope's hair. It's nice, right, guys? She said she doesn't like it. And show your bow. Ooh, nice bow. And Mama just wearing black. And Papa Eman is here. So we did not bring Adeline and Noah, guys, because maybe there's gonna be a lot of people, and especially Noah, maybe we don't have time to watch him. He's gonna run around. So yeah, but we are gonna pick them up later. We're gonna eat lunch outside.
Yeah, I know what can pick another.
Hope is early today. So pretty. Hope is so pretty. Actually, guys, she was crying because she doesn't like her hairstyle. It's nice, actually. Ooh.
I love her.
Virtual fraternity visited in me by the Board of Directors of St. Francis of Assisi School, I hereby confirm you graduates full school year 2023-2024 for having satisfactorily completed the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education for the early childhood education. Ventura Gabriela Hotel. She is receiving the Most Generous Award.
Look what Papa have for you. Congrats. You like it, huh? You're gonna be grade 1 next year. I mean this year, next opening.
What's this?
So Hope's graduation is over. And we're gonna go home first and pick up Ate Ada and
No.
Noah.
Wow.
We're gonna change your outfit too. You're gonna wear a nice dress with your new shoes.
Why?
She wants to wear her new shoes, guys. So
What?
we are gonna eat at where? Dingkwakwa, because Hope wants to eat what? Siomai.
No, I want someone only.
Yeah.
Tawagin mo.
It's the name of the restaurant, Dingkwakwa.
Ding quack quack.
Mm-hmm.
Ding quack quack.
And you can eat unlimited siomai. That's what she requested, guys. She wants to eat siomai.
No, I don't want it. I want to eat chicken and Jollibee.
Oh, you want Jollibee? Are you sure?
Masawagan
You always eat Jollibee. Noah, say hi. Hey guys, so today is Brooklyn's birthday. So yesterday, Hope's graduation, we weren't able to film already because I was so sleepy. I didn't have any sleep. It was April 19 and today is April 20. Oh, Noah's gonna swim. My little Spider-Man is gonna swim and Hopi is there. Can you see Hopi? Say hi, Hope. Oh my. Hopi is grumpy and shy. Adeline is here and show the cake. So that is Brooklyn's cake. We pick it up in San Fernando. Hopi, why are you grumpy, love? Smile. Show your new earrings, please. She's shy, guys. And this is my little Spider-Man. Hi, Spider-Man. We're here. Here. Brookie's there, go. Say happy birthday to Brookie. Go. Happy birthday, Brookie. Happy birthday, Brooklyn. Hi. Hello. Tita Maraya. Oh, diba? Mas-smile siya na ako. Food is ready. Daddy of gift, oh. Happy birthday! Ano dagan?
Mura na po to. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Yeah, there's bike and there's small puppy. Hello. Nahihiro na, excited with swimming. Transferring to the cabana. Noah. Tita Maraya, pretty si Tita Maraya, pretty.
I like it.
Yes, he said yes. Kalay na po good. Someone is excited.
We're going home now. We're going home now.
Nawapagay ka nag-swim ako, Kiki.
Oh, like,
Karoon pa kita Sunmig na dako. Makakiyas of gift for Brookie and
Okay, open your gift. Okay.
Hoppy. Open your gift. That's the same. Get your gift.
Wow!
Wow. What did you say to Kokiyas, guys? Thank you, Kokiyas. Wow, you have another bag. And twinning with Brookie. Are you enjoying? Brookie. Ate Hoppy. No one might sit down and drown, okay?
I'm Miss Flash, look. You want? I'm Flasher watch pa? No, yeah?
What's that? Is your strawberry milkshake? Yes, and with your fries and bag from Uncle Kia's? Yeah. We're going home. So guys, we are now home. And I'm trying on my mom's clothes for sale, bikini. Muna ko excited mo guys, because pang-haircut ko, clothes ni Mama na yung talikya or her free love. Sikit na. Pang-summer. Pang-summer outfit. Also this one. I like this one. tube type, and there's like a bow, a flower here. I saw this on Shopee, but more on plain colors. But this one is printed with flower here. Mostly pag umuso para may flower.
Mommy.
What's that? That's baby Pablo's chair.
Me.
That's a baby. Are you baby?
No.
No. No, what happened? Ice pop! Thank you, Nana. Thank you, good JR. Guys, what are you doing? Wow, Brooke is wearing bikini and you play with the powder. They are gonna swim, guys. Open? Okay, let's open. There you go.